just cannot believe it, guys. I just cannot. Yo, what's up, guys? AK Media back in action, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is the 30th of December 2018, and one more day, technically, yeah, 2 more days for New Year to happen, and we are at beautiful Global Village, which is in Dubai. So today what we're gonna do is explore this place, and you will not believe it. You must have seen the first clip. I really met MUMBIKER Nikhil. Here is a quick picture with him. I did not even believe that he's like going to be in Global Village. I just took a guess, and I told my mom, I don't want to study for today. Like just one day let me come to Global Village, because recently my exams got over. So I really met MUMBIKER Nikhil, and I was legitimately shocked. And oh my god, he asked whether we can click a picture, and I'm like, definitely, of course. So here's a picture with him. It was really great meeting him. And yeah, so we are actually, I'm actually come here with my mom and a couple of my family friends from Bahrain. It's their first time to Global Village after a really long time. It's the second time actually they're coming to Global Village, but after a really long time. So there's a little girl who wanted to try all the rides, and she's around 6 years old, so we'll try and take her to all the rides possible. So far so good. Yalla YOLO. So if you actually see, there are so many stalls. Like this one is Thailand, and that one is Bosnia. Next to that is America, and right what I'm over here is Syria, and right after that is Russia. So there are actually so many other stalls. Like far end over there's UAE, and there are so many: Thailand, Morocco, Japan, South Korea, Indonesia, India, Pakistan, everything, you name it, and there's a stall, including Europe, the Bahamas, you name it, every single country, there's a stall for it. And
Stand back. All clear?
Guys, are you ready? Ready?
okay guys, so got some slush for myself to drink. Some mango slush, pretty good, and not too sweet also. So there's Mumbai Express over here, and there are so many rides. So yeah, we'll just see a couple of more rides. Place has already become dark, and many people are also here. So we'll just see in the rides, and then we'll go soon. Okay guys, so like I've finished with all the rides. I just want to try and go to some stalls now. Mainly I'm trying to go to the South Korea one, because I want to buy something for my friend. Their birthday, I don't want to even tell their name or whether it's a boy or a girl. Their birthday is going to come. Oh, South Korea, Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, Cambodia, Indonesia. Good to go. So yeah, we just need to go to this place and see some very good quality stuff. Okay guys, so I'm finally here, like, and I got a BTS band, and I've got one more for my friend. It's a surprise. Anyways, I'm come here to try some good shades. Just finding a good pair of shades. This one looks dope. How much is this? 65. So, comment down below how does that look. It has like wood finish to it, and yeah, and I actually like it. Other than that, okay guys, so I finally got this one glasses. He's saying 50 dirhams for it. Try some bargain. Anyways, you guys need to comment down below, of course, after watching this video only I'll buy this. Whether should I go with this one or this one. This is like a proper Ray-Ban type. This is like exactly what my brother has. I'm not trying to copy him, but yeah, just comment down below. You want me to get these? It's like reflecting, shiny and all. Or should I get this one? Okay guys, and finally I got these pair of glasses. It actually looks dope. I really love it. Like, it goes directly like this. And looks dope, like the reflecting, everything is there. So that looks super dope. Now I'm just gonna look for my mom because she's somewhere in Africa stall, as she told. So yeah, I think that is the Africa. Oh no, that's the India stall. Anyways, I had a pretty tough bargain on this. First he started with 85 and I got it down to 50, and then I was telling only 25 I have, and after like 25 minutes of bargaining I got it finally for 25. So I really love this. So just comment down below if you actually like it or not. Can you play it? So it's almost like currently at around 8 o'clock. So all the people over here are like heading out for getting some snacks or something, or like even proper dinner. There are actually over 600 different food outlets in all of the entire of Global Village, in different stalls, different pavilions. Also small stalls are counted. So over 600 different stalls. Like if you actually see, if you turn from left to right, there's a stall. Like there's one corn stall over there. There's another French fry stall. So currently I'm entering the Africa stall. I'll check for some interesting stuff. Yeah. Okay guys, so it's finally the end of the day, and what not a better way to end it with the Indian pavilion. So let's just get straight into the Indian pavilion. Okay, T-Series is going to block me for this. So I just grabbed a bunch full of peanuts. So like this is a shop full of Fortnite merch. Like the shop's name is itself Fortnite. So why though? Why PUBG? Anyways, they have like all Fortnite bags. They also have Fortnite caps, Fortnite keychains, and like so many cool glasses. The Thug Life glasses they have. They have so many Fortnite wristbands. And like they have Fortnite monkey caps. They have Superman. They have also Fortnite bottles. Oh my god. That's like just so cool. They have the grenades and just everything, whatever's there in Fortnite. They have PUBG pants, or like keychain, and they have a Fortnite backpack. Like that's just dope. They have also a Fortnite sling bag. So, and then they have all the characters hoodie, each of them. The Fortnite. Why PUBG? Anyways, like I'm currently in the China stall. Like I did not find much. I was expecting a lot from the India stall, as well as I was also expecting a lot from the Africa stall. Africa actually surprised me this time due to its movie, music, etc. But this time China also surprised me, but India did not, because
चोट दिल पे वो खाई मजा आ गया तेरे लश्के कमर जोश ही जोश में मेरी आगोश में आके तू जो समाई
Okay guys, so that's a wrap for this vlog and also a wrap for Global Village 2018. It was a great experience for me to be coming to all the pavilions and also exploring them. Even though I might not been to the countries such as Africa and even Egypt and China, but really want to go there. So I'm just outside and looking for a taxi. Apparently the taxi stand is here somewhere. So I'll be ending the vlog here, so please do like the video, share it with all your friends and comment down below in the section what type of videos should I make, and other than that also subscribe to the channel really fast because by end of January 2019 I want to hit 100 subscribers, so please help me do that. Love you guys.